JW Solar USA live from Minnesota. This is a shipment of lithium ion battery and MPP Solar 6548 hybrid inverter charger. It's heading overseas. You can see I put it in a dolly and get shrink wrap and strap it. And this is the end product here. It's a 8.5 times 2, about 17 kilowatt hour battery bank here, 286 to 268. Yes, it's heading overseas for more projects. Site, our off-grid solar system, off-grid solar home. This is what it is, and I'll try to pick it up here. It's steady. You see, this is how I strapped it. I've done it before. Short handle, get the wheels, and this is the inverter on top of it. The batteries are in there. They're vertical. Just well, it's kind of rectangular, but I have them all vertical. They're standing up. So this is the end product, and just how I've done it before. Get a strap it to the cart with some kind of foam, styrofoam, to hold this thing down. And here we go. Africa, we are coming. So the other side here, I have 30 modules here of a Nissan Leaf. Each module, because it's 4 batteries here, 2 in series, 2 in series parallel. So here is a positive and here is a negative, and if you look at it, here is a negative right here. So this center tap supposed to be like a positive. Either or, you take this one back to here, it gives you a positive, negative, positive, negative. So 4.2 from here, 4.2 from here to there. So it's 8.4 per cell, per module. So the cells are inside series parallel. So that gives if it's brand new, it's a 66 amp hour on each. So I use a threaded rod and cut it all the way, 15 modules. I cut them here. That's the exact plates for the Nissan Leaf. And I already made a video the last time, so this is just part 2 of a recap, and now you guys know exactly what's happening here. So I'm gonna take this one and try to transfer here by myself. It's not easy. I don't have a hoist or anything, nobody to help me right now. My apprentice, normally be my wife, is trying to do as much as possible to help me out on a lot of the stuff I'm doing, lifting and shipping things. You can see massive boxes here. They're all, leaving. Here is a midnight, and so this is what it is. I'm gonna put this thing up here and get them ready and trying to wrap them. Put a cardboard here, maybe this cardboard right here, thicker. It's gonna sit on top here, and or one of these boxes here, and spread them down here. I already have the straps, excuse me, they're already there. So I'm gonna strap this battery really hard and get this thing done. But I have to pick up this battery by myself. These are 30 modules here. So what I have done, we have some over there, overseas. So I have 15 here and 15 there. So they're gonna be going all 15 parallel, and for me to get a 24 volts or 48 volts, anything I want to do here is gonna work because it's a 7S configuration. So 7, 7, 14, so excluding 1, 15, so I can have 4 strings remaining. 7, 4, 14, 28. So I have 30 right there. So it's 2 remaining. So I can have 4 strings of 7s. Well, I just want to show you guys, and good thing I'm testing my new camera as well. I hope everything turned out to be really nice. And it's telling me I need more lights so that I can able to get a super steady shot right here. So technology keep changing all the time, so you gotta expect this. Thanks for watching. Love you guys all. Stay tuned. From the command center, JW Solar USA. Here we go. There you go. This is how you ship them. So I gotta go back and lay this one all the way flat. So I'm thinking about putting the batteries in this box, this one here. I'll throw them in here. If I can lift them, put them in there, it's gonna be safer. Just lock that box totally. Thanks for watching. Love you guys all. Stay tuned. I apologize for not making videos as much as I used to do, but I still have batteries sitting there. The Volkswagen e-Golf batteries are still sitting here. It's another system right here, and it's a portable system with a Magnum. And this one's all I've done the reviews on them. Or the batteries down there as well. And this is what it is. Thanks for watching, and have an awesome day. It's hot. It's hot all these days in Minnesota. It's really hot. Almost getting to 100 degrees yesterday. And today is going to be, I think, 94. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Alright guys, here are the Nissan Leaf already mantle up or bundle up. So I strangled them really good. So these foam pads are just for protection in case like something coming up on the side or the side of the container, they can't hit the battery directly. So a lot of cardboards I folded together and make it really thick and bend them and run them over back and forth, and now it's just incredible setup right here. It goes with the pallet. It goes with the pallet right here, and it's all braced. You know, I have 3 across and 3 vertical, 1 horizontal. So they're not gonna go anywhere. So they're gonna use a forklift now. They just lift it up, and there she go. And even one person can grab here, you know, and lift it up, and the other person can grab on the other side, or maybe 4 people. 1 on this side here, 1 on the corner right there, and 1 there and here. They can just take it safely. So they're not gonna go anywhere. Strap them really well. Yeah. So these are the ones on the dolly, and those are 8.5 kilowatts each. 2 batteries in there, and we get some solar equipment, solar stuff here, breakers and all the goodies, and surge protector. I think I have to run to the store and get a ground rod so I can get this thing and use some kind of like a bungee cable just to fasten this thing not to go anywhere, and they can just roll it easily from the container to the port authority for clearance, so pay for the tariffs or taxes, a clearing fee, and there we go. And I'm taking these flowers as well, tulips. They're different kind right here. See, and different kind of versions. I'm gonna be growing there, and I have a little thing here for the faucet or pump. Yeah, it's cheap. Found that one, and there we go, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. It's just a little bit some for you. something for you. These are all gonna be going. It's a massive thing container, about 40-foot container, and still have this big boy here. And this is I haven't done a video on this one. This is a Vevo, like this is an extractor fan they can use on temperature control, use on like greenhouses. You grow your stuff like greenhouse, and it's interesting. I found this one started growing already on the flowers there, so I'm gonna plant this one outside and get everything ready to go. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. JW Solo USA live from Minnesota.